Are you looking for a brand new home from the builder, but you don't have time to wait for construction to be complete? I got something for you today. We went out to Cadence Master Planned Community in Henderson and we toured a multi-gen 3-bedroom home that is single story, built by Toll Brothers, and it's quick move-in. You could be in there in less than a month. That tour is coming up for you next. Hey YouTubers, welcome back. My name is MJ. I'm a realtor out here in Las Vegas working with the Berkshire Hathaway brand. And here on this channel, we tour all around the Las Vegas Valley, looking at model homes from builders and existing inventory to make your next shopping experience for your next home all the more easy. If this is the first time we've met on this channel, I really appreciate you stopping by and checking it out. Thank you so much. If you do enjoy this content, make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that bell notification so you don't miss a single video when I upload on Fridays. And on today's video, we are headed out to Cadence Master Planned Community in Henderson, Nevada, and we are looking through a quick move-in home built by Toll Brothers Homes. This home is 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms with its own multi-generational suite. One of those bedrooms and bathrooms is closed off from the rest of the house potentially, and it has a 2-car garage, nice sized lot, all ready for quick move-in, meaning you could be in there in less than a month. So let's get out there and get this tour started. Come on. Welcome back to the Cadence Master Planned Community located in Henderson, Nevada. Today we are touring through a single-story home that was built by Toll Brothers Home. It is existing inventory available for quick move-in as of December 2020. That means you could be living here within a month. This home does feature 2,256 square feet sitting on a 6,098 square foot lot. There are 3 bedrooms, 3 and 1/2 bathrooms, and a 2-bay garage. That door just to the right there goes into the multi-generational suite that can be closed off from the rest of the house if chose to. As you notice, there are really nice pavers in the driveway and the walkway. There is front landscaping with drip irrigation that goes to the back for when you're ready to upgrade. We'll take a look at that here in just a little bit. As we walk inside, you're greeted into a very warm hallway here. To the right is the multi-generational suite and one of the bedrooms. Here is the half bathroom. Pedestal sink, extended commodes. And we'll come out into the great room here. Sure you notice the wiring coming out of the wall there. That's for your flat screen TV as well as some of the other components. This house is pre-wired for security. This house also has built-in fire sprinklers. Hopefully you never have to use them. I love the backsplash in this kitchen. Make sure you take notice of the 2-tone cabinetry. These are Mastercraft cabinets. You have KitchenAid appliances. Really nice double oven there. Stainless steel, as well as the dishwasher. Very beautiful grains in this granite on the island here. You'll also notice that the granite on the other counters are different. Beautiful backsplash to go with the colors that they chose in this home. Unfortunately, this home does not include the refrigerator. You'll have to add that on your own after. So look at this backsplash. Really nice texture that it adds to the kitchen. Really great character. Almost looks like a diamond as you're further away, but as you noticed just now, it is not a diamond. The great room is really nice size. It's about 20 feet by 12.5 feet or so. And then the casual dining room there is 16.5 by 12. Really nice size. Here's the laundry room here, very, very large. You can definitely put in some cabinetry here to organize yourself a little bit better up above. And then add some cabinetry down below with a nice countertop there. You have a really nice folding station. Come out to the garage, you have a nice size 2-bay garage coming in at about 20 by 20. Tankless water heater, soft water loop ready to go. And just inside the garage here, there is a drop zone. No built-in cabinetry or anything. You could definitely put in some cabinetry with a nice countertop again. And you would have a nice spot to put your bags as you're walking in from the grocery store or if you're coming home from work. We're gonna come over to the master bedroom now, which is about 16 by 15. Really decent sized master here. Nice bright window to bring in that natural light for you. And you got those smaller windows up above to the right there. The primary bathroom here is really, really functional. I love the way it's laid out. I like having the vanity across from the shower there. It is a dual vanity at adult height. What that means is about an inch or so taller than the other vanities in the home. Custom shower surround there, really beautiful colors, nice warm and rich. Really beautiful granite on the countertop here as well. Let me know what you guys are thinking of this tour so far. I'd like to hear in the comments below, and if you do enjoy it, make sure you like the video as well. As we walk through and finish up with this bedroom here and head into the second bedroom, I'd like to talk about Cadence as a whole. Cadence is a master plan community located in Henderson, Nevada. It is 2,200 acres and features many of America's top builders, including Richmond American, Lennar, and this one right here, Toll Brothers. There are over 450 acres of outdoor area, including a 2,000 square foot splash pad, and then another splash pad located where the 6-lane lap pool is as well. A couple quick tips. There are free bike shares around this neighborhood, so you can just stop by, grab one of those bikes that are quote unquote to rent, but it is free here, as well as free Wi-Fi through all the green areas in Cadence. Keep that in mind if you're ever down there visiting. And one of the best things of all is it's only $40 a month for the HOA cost here in Cadence, and there's no SID lid included. So that just adds more buying power to what you're looking for in a home. Alrighty, and to catch up with the tour, we just looked through the extra bedroom there. It is about 12 by 11. Here is its bathroom with a single vanity. Same cabinetry is included in here, that Mastercraft Cabinetry with those beautiful hardware on there. And now we're into the multi-generational suite here. This bedroom here is about 12 by 10, and it's a little bit smaller. It has its own closet right here to the left and its own full bathroom straight ahead there, which we'll look at in just a second. Really beautiful surround on that wall. The tile throughout this home is about 12 by 36 inches. Really beautiful, nice warm tile. It is a porcelain tile. And then we're going to come into the living area, the multi-generational suite. Here is one objection I do have to this particular home. I'm not real sure why they put in a dishwasher here. I would have personally put in a mini fridge rather than a dishwasher, and then have like a toaster oven or a microwave on the countertop there for heating up your food. Do have a little sink there, as well as the same backsplash as in the kitchen. Really beautiful. Real nice little suite if you have guests in town or if you want to rent out the space. It would be really, really functional. Create a little bit of extra income on your home. And now we're going to head out back so you can get an idea of what the backyard and the size of the lot is. Again, this lot is 6,098 square feet. Let's go ahead and head outside of this 9-foot slider. My immediate reaction in the backyard, as you can see on the left wall there, the owner next door added bricks on top of the wall, and you can see it on this right wall on this particular house here. I would add 2 more stacks of blocks on that wall as well, just to give yourself a little bit more privacy. It's fine on the back wall. I didn't see any issue there. Backyard does need cleaned up a little bit. Hope the builder does that soon. And as we pan back around, look at this covered patio. That's going to about wrap it up for this tour. Well, what did you guys think of the Hillcrest floor plan? Did you enjoy it? Do you think it's functional? What about the decor options that were chosen at the design studio? Let me know in the comments below what you think. Also, if you really did enjoy this tour and you're interested in taking a private tour of the home, make sure you give me a call, text me, or email me, and I can set up a private tour just for you. If there's anything else around the Las Vegas Valley that you're interested in taking a look at or you'd like to see on this channel, make sure you let me know as well. You can contact me directly or leave it in the comments below, and I can get out there and tour it with you. If you have any friends or family that are going to be moving to Vegas soon and they're going to be in the market for a home, make sure you have them give me a call. I can help them out finding the perfect home just for them. And if you did enjoy today's video, make sure you give it a like. It really helps out a lot. And if you do enjoy this type of content, make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that bell notification so you don't miss a single video when I upload on Fridays. And as always, I appreciate you guys stopping by and touring with me today. We'll see you guys in the next one. Later.